Yo! So we got about 4 inches or so of snow last night, which may not be a lot to some of you, but as I always say, every inch matters. And yes, I am just chilling here at the stop sign because it is really loud when I try to drive right now. But I finally got one order, which is, I guess, somewhat decent, only in comparison to everything else that I've received so far. This is a 7-Eleven, $11 and some change, going 6 miles.
And my friend, so her order is this, and there is one case of water. Can you please grab from outside?
Oh yeah, I see.
Or you want me to help you? It's fine, I got you.
Man, these people, I have nothing good to say, so I'm just gonna be quiet, but these customers today, not tipping so well. But I did just get this McDonald's order. I believe it was $11 going about 6 miles again.
Hello, will you be the remote one today?
Thank you. You too. We're gonna walk. Got this order as I was walking over to drop that one off. This is Starbucks, $13 going 6 miles. Hello.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Of course.
Just got the next order lined up right after this. It's gonna be for McDonald's. $13 and some change, going 4.5 miles. Morning, I just have an Uber Eats pickup. Hello. Yeah.
There you go.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Next order just came in. We've got a shop and deliver for Target. $11 going less than 3 miles, only one item. Just spent like 5 minutes trying to unstuck myself. This place better be open. Got a feeling it's not open, but what can you do? I'm already here. Oh. Yeah, good thing I did make it, because they want a pregnancy test. Next order just came in. We've got a stacked Taco Bell. This is $13 going 6.5 miles. Yeah, this place is closed. Never mind. There's somebody in there. All the lights were off and the chairs were all up on the table, so I figured it was closed, but there was someone standing there, so. I got this next order right away. It's gonna be a shop and deliver for alcohol. $12 going 4 miles, only one item. Oh, nice. Customer added a $1 tip on a past Taco Bell order. Keep up the great work. Not sure which one that came off of, but I'll take it either way. Thank you. Maybe it's open. scribble on that. Good enough for me. What is this? Shop and deliver for Target. $20 going 7 miles, 2 items. Sure. Next order up, we've got a Wendy's. Yep, a Wendy's. $15 and some change going 7 miles. I just have an Uber Eats pickup for Carrie.
Carrie?
Yes.
Okay, just go to the second window for that, thank you.
Gotcha. I also have Jess W.
Say that again?
I also just got another one for Jess W.
Just, we got you. We're working on it right now. Yeah,
Gotcha.
we got both of them, brother.
Thank you. I already forgot the details on the add-on, but it looked really, really good. It was like $13 going an extra like 2 or 3 miles, something like that. It was good.
We actually don't have any drink. Can we just probably put it in a bag for you?
Yeah. Oh wait, I have some actually. I have a bunch.
That order is gonna be 3 small drinks, and then for for just gonna be like that big drink right there, okay?
The big one for that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
This guy just came through with Uber for this one, and he's like, "How long is it gonna be?" I was like, "Man, a minute or 2." And
Yeah.
I said, "Hey, we're making it right now," and he's like, "Well, how long is that gonna be?" And I'm just like, "Man, feel free to." And then the second Ethan was walking out the door, I just got another one for Jessica.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Brother, you take care.
Yep, you too. Thank you. I knew my collection of drink holders would come in handy one day. Totally just did a burnout in their front yard. This is going to be for Popeyes. $11 going just under 5 miles. Thank you. There you are. Thank you. Have a good day. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. $18 going 9.5 miles. Only 1 item. Bruh, why do I need a pin for this? Can you cook meth using motion sickness pills or something?
Hi, it's that door there.
Thank you.
It doesn't work. You'll have to knock.
Next order up, we've got a Little Caesars. This one is $9.75 going 4 miles. I was actually about to call it, but the only reason that I'm taking this one is because I was gonna go get some pizza too. So kind of works out. And then can I also order just a regular pepperoni? There you are.
Hello, thank you.
Got it?
Yep.
All right, now I'm done for sure. Now that I've got food in my car. Current time is 12:02. Current total is 205, and I think I have 1 Uber tip yet to come in, so that should bring me up to like 210. So that is going to be the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.